Hello everyone, welcome to Only Study. In this video, we will be going to discuss lesson plan of SST. In this video, we cover two lesson plan for class 7th. So our first lesson plan is of geography, topic environment. So the first thing we need to mention in a lesson plan that the name of the pupil, teacher, class, subject, topic, date and duration. Thereafter, we need to mention journal objectives, but I have not mentioned here. It's up to you whether you want to mention or not. I simply mention specific objectives. After that, we need to write teaching aids. Whatever the teaching aids you are using, please mention it. You can also mention charts, models, etc. After that, we need to write previous knowledge. For previous knowledge, we need to make two columns, question and answer. After that, we need to write announcement, just like this. And now, presentation part. After that, we need to mention presentation part. We need to make three columns for presentation part: content, pupil, teacher and student activity. Here I give the brief introduction about the topic. Like our topic was environment, so I'll mention all the things about. I'll give a brief introduction. Here I also explain natural environment. The next thing we have to write is recapitulation. You can also make miniatures like this. After that, blackboard work and then homework. Let's move to our next lesson plan. Same thing, we have to mention name of the pupil, teacher, class, subject, all these things which have been mentioned earlier also. Then journal objectives, teaching aids, previous knowledge and announcement. After that, presentation. You can also make flow charts like this. All these things make our lesson plan more attractive. So that is why we have to mention flow charts. We have to draw flow charts. And blackboard work, recapitulation, and then homework. Thank you for watching. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you.